And thanks for tuning in to our B2B analytics tutorial, better known as our companies and industries feature. I am on the co-host prefix today, but again, just a heads up that if you are tuning into this and you have B2B analytics enabled on hosting, it is the exact same feature on both products. The menu just looks a little bit different on the side. If you're on hosting, you can find B2B analytics under the analytics title. So let's jump right into it. We're going to start with the show overview, and you're going to notice that the first thing you see is all-time stats with your top company, industry, and location. Since these stats are all-time, you'll notice that if you go up here to our date range picker, if you change the dates here, all of the stats in the charts following will change, but because these are all-time stats, aka from the moment B2B analytics was enabled on your show to now, you're going to see the top company, industry, and location within that date range. If we scroll down, we have the company breakdown here. That gives you the company name, industry, and size of the company, as well as the percentage of downloads that are coming from that company that we can detect. You can also download this as a CSV. Most folks tend to download this and send it to their sales teams or clients or colleagues that are looking for this information. Below that, we have industry breakdown. So here you can see all of the industries that are tuning into your show and the percentage breakdown again. You can also download this as a CSV. Then we have company sizes that are tuning in, company revenues, and the locations. If we head over to our episode breakdown tab, you'll see that all of the episode names are laid out here with the top company, industry, and location. This is just an at-a-glance view of the companies and industries that are tuning into your episodes. And if you actually click on the episode, you'll see the exact same breakdown that we just went through on the show overview, but pertaining to that particular website. We're really excited to have you on board this novel feature in the podcasting industry. Please let us know if you have any questions and if we can help you in any way. Really excited for you to continue using it. Thanks so much.